Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to buy anything from NFTs or tokens from the Binance Smart Chain, or in short BSC. First of all, you'll need a browser. I use and also recommend Brave browser as it has an ad blocker integrated, and you can also earn money passively with it if you want to by looking at ads. You'll earn basic attention tokens, or in short BAT. It's based on Chromium, so it's the same look and feel as the Chrome browser. But basically you just need any browser that also supports the add-on MetaMask. MetaMask is a multi-chain wallet which integrates into your browser as an add-on. By default it comes with the Ethereum mainnet and some others, including testnets, which aren't important to us now. So go ahead and download and install MetaMask in your browser. Here on this page, metamask.io, you just press on download now. It should detect your browser, and it also shows you here down here the supported browsers. And then you install it. Once installed, we want to add the Binance Smart Chain network to MetaMask. To do this, just click your MetaMask symbol in the top right corner and it should open this small window. Now between the Fox symbol on the left and your wallet profile picture on the right, there's a drop down menu where you see Ethereum mainnet. You click it and you add a network. Now a new tab should open and you are presented with the add a network mask where you input the data of which network you want to add. We want to add the BSC network, so input as a network name the Binance Smart Chain. As a new RPC URL, you type https://bsc-data seed.binance.org/ as the chain ID, it's the 56. As a currency symbol BNB, and the block explorer URL is https://bscscan.com. Now click save, and then we successfully added the BSC network into our MetaMask. On the MetaMask symbol here on the top right, you now can change between your networks, Ethereum mainnet and the Binance Smart Chain. Now the only thing left is to buy some BNB, the Binance coin. For that you have to visit binance.com. Here's the page. Either you have an account there already or you'll have to register. After the registration you'll have to verify your identity through KYC, know your customer. That will also unlock more trading volume you can do per day. So after you've done that, you are registered, you log in, and then on the top left you can see buy crypto. I'll, for example, do it with the credit debit card. You click it. Here you can set the amount on the top one, how much you want to spend. Still loading right now. For example, 1,000 euros. And then on the bottom one, what you receive, you select the BNB. And that was pretty much it. And then you press continue and finish your purchase. After you finish your purchase, you can go on the top right to your wallet, fiat and spot, or deposit and withdraw. There you should also be able to see your BNB then. Here's my BNB at the second row, and then you press withdraw on the right to withdraw it to your MetaMask. So here's the coin selected already, BNB. You enter your address here, the address you'll get from your MetaMask. You'll just go here on the top right, click your MetaMask symbol, and then you see here your standard name should be account 1. And then you just click it once with the left click and it copies to your clipboard. You copy paste it in your address. The network will be auto-selected already for convenience, and then you can select the amount you want to withdraw. And you can just select your max if you want to withdraw everything then. And you will see the network fee is already included here as well. And then you pretty much just say withdraw, click on it, and then you're done with it. And you will have your BNB on your MetaMask wallet in some seconds or minutes. Alright, and now let's get to how to buy NFTs with the BNB you have now in your MetaMask wallet. I went to tofunft.com, that is a marketplace for the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, then let's just randomly click something here. this NFT, the uni turtle, you just click on bid, the minimum bid. Let's press that, bid. Then your MetaMask notification window will open and you can see your estimated gas fee, what is site suggested, and the total. And then you just confirm it or reject it. And we will reject now because I don't want this one. Alright, this is for the Tofu NFT marketplace. Many games also have their own marketplace. And here, as an example, PancakeSwap.finance, where you can buy a lot of tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. You just connect your wallet, select MetaMask, and it's connected. Alright, and then you can just trade. You have BNB here, what you have in your wallet. And then you can just select any token you want. If you know the token address of the coin you want to buy, you can also just paste the address here and then it will show. Alright, for example, then let's buy cake. You have your BNB here. Your balance is shown top left. You just select how much you want to buy and then you'll see how much you'll get. And then you swap it and then you'll have to confirm the transaction. Just like here. The MetaMask notification window will open and you confirm it and then you're done. And that was it for tokens. And at the end, a little advertising for Forgotten Chain, which is a 3D play-to-earn fantasy MMORPG. They will have their wave 1, 2, and 3 NFT sales this April, starting from the 18th with a gameplay live stream. The private ICO for their Forgotten coin, in short FTC, is on the 28th April. And the public ICO on the 30th April. And the token will be listed on PancakeSwap. Alright guys, I hope I could help you with this video and that I explained it simple enough, and if you have any other questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.